that victim, she is actually trained in boxing and self-defense. So she was able to actually prevent this incident, prevent the person repeatedly actually trying to approach her. She actually was actually victim of this incident some days back, and that person was repeatedly trying to approach her, and because of her self-defense training, she was able to stop this incident from happening. And based on her complaint, we registered a case of relevant sections of law, and we have arrested the accused as well. In the first instance itself, if at all the police, if we had approached the police, we would have immediately taken action that day. So as soon as she came to us, we have taken the case and we have registered the case.
Is the victim known to the accused?
The accused is known to the family as well as to the victim. So that is where the accused tried to misuse or try to take advantage of that knowledge as well. So this is not a stranger, he is known to the victim. Because of that, she agreed to travel with him. Because of that, this incident happened.
Sir, आज accused को court में produce करेंगे क्या?
Yes. That legal proceedings will take.
So such incidents can be tolerable in Goa for other people, can be taken advantage for of it?
We are actually sensitizing all the people as well. We are actually sensitizing our police force as well. We have recruited a lot of women police officers. We have launched Pink Force. So we are involving all the stakeholders, and we are taking all preventive measures so that these incidents won't happen. Otherwise, whenever we get all these cases, all the instances reported, immediately we register FIR and we take whatever legal actions are required.